What's going on, fam? Welcome to the FOMO channel. I am Mr. FOMO himself. Today we're going to be talking about Seadoge. Now, this is just, I've been following around, so meme season is well and truly here. Like, I'm seeing a lot of meme coins out there, and I've been trying to find some, looking at some that I want to have a little dabble with. I did, got lucky with the couple of them because before they kind of just went bad, I did make some money off some of them. So this is it's a meme at heart, right? With a good amount of, it has some hype behind it, and also it has some cool utility to it as well. You have to understand a bit about the ultra low BSC projects within. Like these are the low cap projects that are actually doing quite well. So I jumped onto this one here. It's this one's supported by a small network of channels that I've seen online so far. I've been looking around to see who's been supporting it. It's building a new floor every time, and I'm trying to figure out, if it's the right time to jump into it. They're also working on a blockchain messaging app as well. It's a super hyped community, yeah, and it seems to be like that they're going to go somewhere. So I had a little look-see. The chart's up here, guys. You can see the poo chart or the poo coin already here. Then I went into a thing. So they started up about 17th June of this year, 2300, and then they come up, and it's been so like with most things, it goes up. Then it goes down. Let's just go into the 4-hour window. Someone told me in one of my things that 4-hour windows are better to look at. So let's do the 4-hour window. Yeah, so now it's sitting at 0.00250. Hang on, let's go back. Lost it, didn't I? Awesome. Good to know. Let's just do that again. Yeah, so overall, it seems like it's building back up again for another run, and I want to be part of that actual run. So, excuse me for that, guys. You can see there's some buys over here as well, and you go down, you can see sells and buys. So I see a lot of greens, which is quite good, and the greens are bigger. I was looking at it before. The greens are bigger. Like this one's quite big, $1,000. It's a lot bigger than the exiting. So, last thing you want to do, guys, is be someone's exit strategy. None of us want that, right? Obviously, And guys, please remember, these projects are super risky, yeah. So please do your own research, and if you're going to put money into it, make sure it's something you can afford to lose. Because some of these you won't make your money back, some of these you will, and of course it's all a risk, yeah. So you got 0.25 over here. So if we go into, let's just go into, I don't think it's listed over here. The chance of it being listed in here is pretty, Seadoge, I think it's called. No chance. Okay, so it hasn't been listed over here yet. You probably have to buy it through PooCoin or something like that. That's the only way to buy it. But let's have a look at the site as well. Make a splash with Seadoge. Been blessed with a community that not only inspires us daily, but also made us who we are today. We knew how to give back somehow. Our dream is to become a reality through Seadoge. In a space plagued by self-interested dev, callers, and investors alike, we decided to combat the dog-eat-dog world of the BSC. So their team is Seadoge, Dylan, and Asian, the community manager, moderator. So they've got some nice little faces over there. It's quite. I like this one a lot. Resonates with me. It really does resonate with me. Yeah. So they've got this all up as well. They've got the Telegram. I'm just going to jump on the Telegram while we're here together. Let's jump into this. Join the channel. You can see it's a very small community. Just getting started. Let's see what the liquidity. Actually, I didn't check the liquidity of the pair as well. So they've got $47,000 in there in liquidity, so it's quite decent. It's just started off, just kicked off. This could be one of those ones that kind of just does a massive run. Let's hope it does. So you can see here, up here, it has gone a lot higher at 0.35 as well. And if you go back, go all the way back. So it's gone to 0.7. I think it's also 0.7 as well. Yeah, point up here. 0.1, so 0.35 seems to be where it's sitting at the moment as OTH. Overall, though, guys, the design, the team, everything behind it, they look quite solid, and that's what makes it fun. Very active, so I'll put that out there as well. They're very active, fun bunch of guys, Overall, I think I'll throw $500 in here. Yeah, I'll throw 500 in here and see what happens. What can you expect? Hopefully, it does well for me. pray for me, guys. Pray for me. I'm always willing to give these ones here, a go. They're coming up with their own utility and their own messaging app and stuff, so that's quite cool as well. They do have big plans. So 2, 3, 4, 4. Just you can trade this straight away, right? You can kind of just go up, go and pull coin. Let's see what $300 or $500 buys us. Yeah. I think it's worth for me to. I know I want to have a dive into this, yeah, just to really get it going. Is that a? I just want to see what the ad that is actually. Thought so. Okay, yeah. So this one here, I think, yeah, I wanna. I don't know. I want to give it a go. I think I'm gonna give it a go. Yeah. I mean, Mr. FOMO for a reason, right? You're on the FOMO channel, you're with Mr. FOMO, you might as well give this a little bit of a crack. Wonder what the fees are in terms of that. That doesn't really say over here much about the fees. But let's go into the Telegram group. Maybe we can get some action in here, yeah? Start. Okay, so you can do all that to start the thing. I'll get into that in a little bit later on. No point in me doing that on live on camera anyway. Yeah, so let me know what you guys think of it as well. Let me know if it's something you guys are into. You want to make a splash with Seadoge? We all do. I'm going to be looking for a couple more meme coins as well for the season. I think meme coin season is right with us at the moment. So trying to find these bad boys over here, once they'll make us. You're looking to make like no more than 2x if you can. If you can, then great. Yeah, it's a good way to make some quick money, and and if the program is solid, then you want to probably hold on to it for a long time as well. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Let me know if you guys jumped into this one. If you guys have any questions regarding it, I'm more than happy to answer it. If you're new to my channel, guys, smash me up over here. Really slow moving, but hey, at least we're moving. Smash it up. Let's get this channel up to 3K, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter as well. I really want to get the 300 on Twitter. I'll do a big giveaway on Twitter for sure, and I'll do another one at 3K over here as well. You guys are absolutely amazing. Hope you guys are going to having a fantastic Friday. Peace.